Welcome to Smart Math Tools, the amazing all-in-one math app. Here you can explore analysis, algebra, geometry, and everything you need to learn and master mathematics. Let's start with calculus. In Smart Math Tools, you can solve integrals, limits, and derivatives. Just enter your function and get step-by-step solutions. The app explains the rules used and how we reach each result. You can also plot any function instantly. Let's start with calculus, one of the most powerful branches of mathematics. In Smart Math Tools, you can solve integrals, limits, and derivatives with ease. Just enter your function, and the app will guide you step by step through the entire solution process. What makes it truly special is that the app doesn't just give you the final answer. It also explains the rules used, showing you exactly how we arrive at each result, so you can understand the reasoning behind every step. Want to visualize your function? With just one tap, you can plot any function instantly and see it represented on a graph. Now let's dive into algebra, one of the most important foundations in mathematics. With Smart Math Tools, you can explore number theory in a simple and interactive way. For example, the app allows you to decompose any number into its prime factors step by step, helping you understand how numbers are built. You can also calculate the greatest common divisor and the least common multiple with just a few taps, using methods like the Euclidean algorithm explained clearly. But that's not all. You can even go further and solve Diophantine equations, which often seem difficult, but here are broken down in a way that's easy to follow. Smart Math Tools is designed to be simple, user-friendly, and available in multiple languages. Enjoy a modern look with light and dark themes, so you can study in comfort anytime.